How to sign up for Facebook. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing the ways to create or sign up for Facebook account. In order to sign up or create a Facebook account, first of all you need to go to your Google Play Store or your respective Play Store, and then on the search box type in Facebook. So first thing first, you'll need to install the particular application. So in my case, I already have installed the application. All I need to do is click the open button. So in order to create an account, you'll be able to see a different sort of interface. So all you have to do is just make sure to tap the button that says create new account. After you've done that, you'll need to go ahead and read all of the statement. Go ahead and tap the create new button, create account. Here you'll need to provide in the information and such as your first and a last name. Tap the next button once you're done. For the age verification, you'll need to go ahead and type in your date of birth and click the set button. After that, you need to select your gender type, so go ahead and select the one and click the next button. After that, it's gonna ask you to provide in your contact details. For the contact details, you can either provide in your email address or the phone number, whichever is convenient for you. After you've done that, click the next button. Since you're creating an account, you'll be asked to create a password as well. So once you're done creating a password, tap the next button, and on the other interface it's going to ask you whether you want to save your login info or not, and click the save button, and then you've successfully created your Facebook account. So in this way you can create your Facebook account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.